Rumors are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Good evening, everybody. This is StockLegends.com doing a stock chart video analysis of MDFZF, the Metafocus Incorporation Company. I'm pretty excited about this one. We have a lot of strong bullish indicators as well as some good support for our daily charts here. But before I get into those real quick, I want to talk about our last trade. We closed up on October 2nd. That was Tuesday at 0.145. We didn't make any trades at all today on the 3rd, but I'm really looking forward to seeing that trend come to an end. It's not going to last much longer, especially with all this awareness going out on MDFZF. You're not going to see those slow days anymore. Speaking of slow days, back in our daily charts here, you can see that we have had some long periods of relative inactivity for our prices, but that's slowly coming to an end. As you can see, everything's starting to pick back up again. Interest is pouring into this stock, and it's really starting to move. It's starting to wake up. Let's zoom into the action. We come in here. You can already see that we have our uptrend forming right around here. You can see that's a fairly nice, strong uptrend. Our lowest lows are just getting higher and higher. You can't beat that. Coming down, we do have this resistance line coming down from here. It's relatively shallow, but you could use it if you wanted to. I'm going to count it because that gives us a nice channel for us to break out of. And I just love channel trades. They go nice and high. To be more conservative, you do have your 50 and 200-day moving averages also acting as resistance lines. I don't think they're going to give us much of a hassle. If you want to go a little bit higher than that to be safe, our next resistance isn't until about 0.204. And then one more up from there, you can go to the 0.246 mark, I should say. Far as resistance, our support line goes, other than this upwards upper trend line here, we do have one more at the 0.073 mark coming across like this. Like I said, we have some pretty strong support here. This is as low as we've ever been, and it's holding strong. We really won't expect to go down any further than where we're at already. Looking for that big breakout, especially when the volume starts coming in. Before we move past the screen, I want to talk about our parabolic SAR. That's just a nice little confirmation of bullish indicator right here underneath our candlesticks, and we are squarely between our Bollinger Bands, and it gives us a lot of room to run. Don't have to worry about hitting that upper one yet. Moving on out of here, I want to talk about volume really quick. Like I said, volume's really been picking up. We just had this sudden explosion in the last couple months, and that's always a good sign to see. If we want to back out again, you can see that we have had these really long periods of virtually no trading, and it's really starting to pick up again, and that's always a good sign. As far as our other bullish indicators, they're just all over the place. We've got our Chaikin money flow crossover at 0, and it's pointed straight up. We have our CCI also also above the 0 line, and we're coming down out of that bullish zone and looking to see a bounce there. MACD wise is also looking really nice. Our black line is the MACD crossing over the lighter gray line as a signal line. Very bullish crossover, and we're pointing straight towards that 0. Looking really nice in the MACD area. STO is also bullish above its signal line. Trix is bullish, pointed up towards the center. Like I said, we just got a lot of bullish indicators for this one here, and it really doesn't get any better. MDFZ is definitely on my watch list, and I want to thank you guys for checking out our videos. Be sure to sign up for our newsletter at www.stocklegends.com, and as always, we will see you on the boards.